Hey, if you've ever struggled to remember someone's name, I've got an easy technique here for you. It's called the associations technique. You simply associate the person's name with something else you know. For example, if you met someone named Lorna, you could associate the name Lorna with Lorna Doone cookies, and every time you saw her you would think, Lorna Doone cookies, and you could remember her name. Or if you met someone named George, you could think George Clooney, and then you could associate that person named George with George Clooney and remember his name that way. Or I used to have a great uncle named Uncle Ted, and if I met someone named Ted, I could think, Uncle Ted, and his name would pop right out of my mouth. I hope that works for you.